Finally, a good night's sleep. Ah, what was that?
Oh, Sue.
Hey, that's my blanket. What happened?
I had a dream about a big scary bear. I know he's coming after me.
It was just a bad dream. Besides, even though bears are big and scary predators, they can also be cute and funny.
There's nothing cute about them, Sue.
Hey, I need my blanket back. Just go to bed, Sammy.
But Sue!
Fine. To conquer your fears will make you a nighttime buddy. Teddy bear.
Wait, a bear?
Exactly.
I think it's all clear now. What? It's right behind me? A bear!
Oh, come on. Where'd you run off to, Sammy? It's just me. And this glove just happens to be the base for our craft. We only need to turn it inside out like this and draw an outline.
Wait, a glove? A teddy bear? I don't get it!
Trust me, it will all make sense once you bring me a thread.
I'm on it! Alright, if I was a thread, where would I be? Let's see. Nothing. Maybe here? It's not in there too.
Hey! Hey, why are you yelling so loud? We heard you're looking for something.
You can't sneak up on a slime like that. What do you guys have there?
Oh, a thread! Just what we need. Thanks for bringing it here, guys.
Huh, I did a thorough search and you thanked them?
Oh, of course, I thank you all, Sammy. Now, do you get it?
So much chaos for just a bear.
I'll take these two. Hey, that's not fair. Why do you get to decide?
What's up, guys? Hey! Where are we going? Hey, wait for me.
Now, we need to turn the glove back on.
Guys? Where are you guys?
You're not going to help today, are you, Sam? Can you at least bring some fiberfill?
Hello? Guys, you here? Come on, where did they go? Oh, hi there. Was that your nest? Oh, hey, I was just passing by. Ow! Stop it! Ugh! What is wrong with everybody today? Save me, Sue!
Sammy, you okay? Oh, you brought the filler. Thanks.
What? Huh? Sure thing.
Now, we can stuff it up. Here's the most interesting part. We thread the needle like this where we want our bear to have a neck. I'll just carefully pull the thread. And done! Our bear has a head now!
Are you sure it's not a slime? We look a lot alike, except for the ears, maybe?
Yes, I'm sure. And just so you don't have any doubts either, get me some more filler.
Okay.
Hey guys, don't tell Sam, but I want to play a little prank on him.
What could be better than a winter Tibidaba forest? And the best part is that there are no bears around.
Are you sure?
Yep, not a single bear. Huh? Oh, shiver me chatters.
You're such a little scaredy cat today, Sammy.
What? I'm a scaredy cat? I'll show you.
Oh, Sammy, come on. We all have our fears.
Ha! That's right.
Nope. Try again.
I said boo! Oh, come on! Get scared already!
All right, all right. Oh, no. If it isn't my greatest enemy, Mr. Scary Mask.
No, it's me, Sam. Gotcha. You know, I think I've gotten over my bear fears. Or not.
Every teddy bear should have cute little ears. We can shape them with just a few stitches. Hey, what are you doing?
I had to make sure this bear could be poked with a stick.
And how did I not guess? Okay, here we'll make the legs. By the way, where are all the parts of the glove we've cut off? We need them.
Don't worry, Sue. I think I know who took them.
Greetings, Slime. Are you the one who's afraid of bears?
How did you know?
The cards told me. They also said you must share all your candies with me.
me that!
What about my candy?
Seriously?
Give me candy and I'll help you conquer your bear fear.
Here you go, Susie.
Thank you, Sammy. That's exactly what we need. Yeah, that's where I think it's gonna be perfect.
Come on, Ken, you can do it. You're gonna wow Barbie with your baking skills.
Hey, these are not yours, buddy.
But I need them to get this amazing cake out. Oh no, it's all ruined. Hail, Tibidaba. Why?
Hey, come on. It's gonna be all right. Oh,
Here, this is as good as your cake.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. You're a lifesaver.
Yay!
It's for sure. And thanks for helping me find these parts. We'll use them to make paws.
He looks kinda cute, Sue. But real bears are still scary. Hey, what are you doing?
Huh? Where are you going?
Where did you take me? What's going on? Guys?
We decided to help you deal with your fears. Ta-da! It's a bear obstacle course.
Yeah, not gonna happen.
Come on, Sammy, we're rooting for you.
Silly obstacle course with silly obstacles and no bears. I really don't like this place. Ugh.
Boo! I'm an angry, scary bear.
Oh no!
Oops, I guess I overdid it.
Come on, Sam, you can do it.
you got this. Now you're ready to face your fear.
Uh-oh. Bring it on. Did you see that? I did it. I'm not afraid anymore.
Yay!
Alrighty, our bear Teddy is almost ready.
Hey, Sue, I'm not scared of bears anymore.
Oh, really? That's great news. And I almost finished this.
Friends, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's overcome our fears together.
Okay, guys, we're at the finish line. Now, let's do the face.
Super sparkle, super sparkle. It's Crafty Slime Ball. Can you hear me? Over.
Did you say super sparkle? I love it. How's it going over there?
You're supposed to say over at the end. Over.
Sammy, we need eyes for the teddy bear.
Not Sammy. Crafty Slime Ball.
Oops.
Sorry.
Hey guys, where are you going? Oh, it's you again. Hello. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Sammy, what's going on?
I barely got away, Sue. Here you go.
Right about time.
Hey, you were right, Sue. He is cute.
But we can make him even cuter. Let's make those eyes sparkle. We can't forget about the nose, can we? And that's it. Sammy, here's your teddy bear.
Hi, it's very nice to meet you.
Oh, how cute. You are not scary at all.
Susie, I think you forgot to add one important bear part.
Oh, you're right. Here, let me fix that.
Thanks, that's much better.
By the way, I got you a present. See? I'm not afraid anymore. Bears are adorable.
I think we'd better make it shorter, though. Teddy bear, you look perfect.
Thanks for having us for the sleepover, Sam.
Of course. Oh, it's been a long day, though. Let's get some rest. What was that?
Oh no, fortune-telling police? They found me.
Everyone hide behind me. I will protect you.
Oh, my feta. Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm here for a sleepover too. I'm scared to sleep alone in my nest.
Okay, Birdie. Hypothetically, could you deliver my letter to Barbie?
What a day! Friends, would you like to have a sleep companion like our teddy bear? If so, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on cool new crafts.
And give this video a like too. Bye-bye, everyone.